Let me share my screen. Similar audience for search beta is actually available for most of our clients. Not sure if you have checked the email which I forwarded today.
Yes, I checked.
Yeah, it's available and it's pretty easy to set up. In fact, you don't need to do anything. It's automatically available unless if you do not have appropriate similar audience to use in search at. Let me show you an example for Pink Lily Boutique. Basically, Tom mentioned that it's available for all of our accounts mentioned in this list, and I think most of our accounts are already specified. Pink Lily Forensic, not Forensic Group, but Pink Lilies are a client, King's Bottle, Atlanta Light Bulb, MKM, Q Spray, Lead Wallet, State Wind,
So just collectible.
NH
And this
Wash, then Dress Boutique, Contract License Group, Southwest Silver, Crown Mega, Signal Pit, Uni Beauty, Tech Traders, Plaza Japan, the Hall Center, Tefina,
definitely
Trophy,
trophy
Moldax,
models
yep,
Bioterra.
Bioterra. Right. So there is no mention of JPB jewelry and Defina jewelry because when
Definize
this list was Defina is there.
yeah, I think
I don't think.
yeah,
Yeah, Defina is
definize.
there. JPB is not there.
Hmm.
So accounts are whitelisted. Listed account list. Let me show you how to try this. Basically, similar audience for search is nothing but a kind of similar audience grouping that AdWords does automatically based on your available audience list. Prior to this beta, similar audience function was only available for display kind of campaign, display network campaign, but now Google is actually revealing this feature for search ad as well. So currently it's in a beta, but since we are a premier AdWords agency, they have whitelisted our accounts, many accounts. So basically, you just need.
Which kind of audience will be added in this list? The audience who are interested in our site or product or service.
Yes, audience similar to, for example, your converter. There will be different kind of similar audience list. It's not just one. And how Google will bucket your similar audience based on the existing remarketing list. Say you have a bunch of converter, right? In the form of a list. You have created all converter list into AdWords, and that all converter list is having somewhere around 100 to 150 people.
Hmm.
Now AdWords will try to group similar audience than your converter. I mean, who are similar to your converter into your similar list. And the audience number would typically be a huge number
Hmm.
in similar list. But remember, you need minimum 1,000 audience in order to eligible to show your search ads to those people.
Hmm.
And it's completely work just like RLSA. In
Yes.
RLSA, we bid high because we try to show our ads to our existing users, right? So in the
Hmm.
same way, you need to set up similar audience list as well. But remember, this is similar audience. It's not exactly RLSA. These are the people
Okay.
who didn't visit your website,
Hmm.
but based on Google's database, Google think that these are also similar people than the ones who have visited your website and converted.
Hmm.
So Google is saying that you can either bid little bit higher to similar
Hmm.
audience, or you can just add them and try them, showing your ads and later seeing them how it is performing. So the most potential list which we should try to use is similar to our converter, right?
Okay.
The best potential similar audience for search lists to try in almost every campaign is similar to converters. But the problem is AdWords need minimum 1,000 audience in that list.
For
And it,
for that list.
yeah, for any list, whether it is converter, similar to converter, or similar to your all visitor, or similar to
Yeah.
your cart abandonner,
Yeah.
they need minimum 1,000.
Hmm.
It's I mean it's very difficult to get over 1,000 user in all converters, similar to all converter.
Hmm.
So I don't think it would be possible to make it eligible for many cases. See, pink really is very huge. They are a big client, many people convert, but
Hmm.
it's still
Hello. 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 Hello.
account last Friday only. So maybe they are still populating it, and over time it will get it will be improved. I mean, it will be expanded. Now there are just 1,000. I mean, below 1,000 users.
Hmm. Ashok, actually, actually you're disconnected during call, so I cannot see your screen. So please reshare it.
Okay, sure. Can you see it now?
Hmm. Hmm. No, it is not.
Is it visible? It should be loading.
No, it is not loading.
Oh no, I don't know what's wrong. Looks like I'm experiencing network connectivity issue.
Yeah.
Let me try my other internet connection. Okay. Mm, connected. For I think it should be better now.
Hmm. No, I cannot see.
Share. Shared it.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sorry about that. Is my screen
Yes, your screen is visible now.
okay? Good. See, where was I? Was talking to quarter audience list. Remember, you need minimum 1,000 audiences, and at this point of time, since Google has just whitelisted our account, we might not see 1,000 visitor
Hmm.
in similar to all converter lists. So in that case, we should probably use similar to all visitor.
Okay.
Don't forget adding similar to all converter with a little good bit adjustment like either 10% or 20%. Because
Mhm.
over time when it will have more than 1,000 visitor, it will automatically start
Yeah.
serving ads, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
along with adding similar to all visitor, also add similar to all converter.
So can
Now
we
you
edit this list?
you
Means
cannot
okay.
you cannot edit it, but you can create it. You can create a similar audience list. But the way, no, see how you can create it, it's completely automatic. Google does its algorithm. Google does
Hmm.
everything to bucket users based on their database.
Hmm.
But suppose if you want to create similar audience lists,
Hmm.
example, then you need to create an actual audience list, like visited page contains that page, particular page, like a category page or a product specific page, and
Yeah.
you need to give it some time before
Means for example, take an example of Pink Lily Boutique. So we should first create remarketing list like the people who visited dress page, dresses page,
yeah, yeah,
and then Google will create the same list of similar kind.
or similar,
Uh,
yeah, that's automatic.
okay.
And the good thing is you don't need to create audience remarketing list because they are already created. Obviously we do remarketing and we do everything right. For remarketing we
Hmm.
create remarketing list.
Yes,
So
so all the lists are already existed in the remarketing list section.
exactly, we can see that similar to all users, similar to all visitors.
Yes.
They are showing somewhere around 50,000 to 100,000 audience
Okay.
list. You can
Okay.
see under search they are having many audience. These are eligible list to use. So
Mm-hmm.
you only need to go to a campaign, say branded,
Mm.
go to audience. You can apply at a campaign level. The good thing is it's possible to apply at a campaign level.
Okay.
So you just need to add one. Make sure that you select campaign.
Mm.
Okay, before editing remarketing is your campaign, remove them from your ad groups. Okay, campaign level won't work if you have any ad group level RLSA list or something. So I guess you will have to go with ad group level.
Yes.
Go to Google ad group, audience, select targeting, add to ad group, go under interest in remarketing, similar to remarketing list.
Okay.
Now here,
And we can add
similar to all visitors.
similar to all
Actually,
visitor.
yes, similar to all visitor.
Mm.
If you want, you can also try similar to all users. But for
Yes.
ping really,
Mm.
there are many audience, so I would only select one.
Okay. And if we are adding the same list in any remarketing campaign, so we will set as target and bid, right?
In a remarketing campaign, you don't need to add. This is similar audience for search. It's not for display.
Okay, search. Okay.
Yeah. Don't use with display campaign or remarketing campaign.
Hmm.
The reason is with display and remarketing, I didn't find it pretty much performing.
Hmm.
I believe in the search network, it's gonna do something because Google is saying that they have found similar audience better
Hmm.
performing than just keyword based targeting. So we have a lot of
Okay.
non-branded campaigns. So I guess this should be a good experiment to try. We often don't see much success with straight away non-branded keywords.
Or we can do one more thing here. Actually, we should create a branded campaign or what I was saying. Actually, I'm not sure it is good or bad. Uh, we should create the same branded campaign and remove all the keywords and add only this list similar to all users and similar to all visitors, and then we can run it. What do you think?
Without keyword, how would it work in search network?
Yeah, that's the thing I was thinking.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's not possible. Without keyword, nothing would gonna work. And we shouldn't try that because it will show your ad anywhere for any keyword.
Okay. And we can use them in DSA campaign.
Yeah, that would be the best thing for us to do. We should try it with a DSA campaign with target and bid strategy, not just
Okay.
bid.
Target and bid strategy. Okay.
This is for similar to all visitor. At least I don't want to set unless if I see really a good performance here.
Yeah,
Set
if
without bid
we
adjustment.
set positive bid adjustment, so maybe campaign might be go over spending or something.
Yeah, it might be overspending. It might just ruin your performance.
Yeah,
Careful.
I think we should try this list at initial stage. We should try this list for only those accounts who are not performing well.
Yeah,
What do you think?
exactly. We should do an experiment first. We should try
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do an experiment first.
Because if we
That
try in any account which is performing really nice, so it can bring the performance.
exactly
So
that's true. Don't try to do over there. DSA Pink Lily, I think this month does not look good. So I'll gonna add audience.
okay,
Okay, it's at ad group level, all pages, interest and remarketing, similar to remarketing list. I'll gonna add all visitors.
okay,
Save. Okay, there is a dresses page visitors, similar to all visitors. So, for Pink Lily, I think we can give a trial. We can try with a separate DSA campaign where we target similar to all visitors with target and bid strategy.
okay,
Or here only I can add similar to all visitors, target and bid. But what I was thinking is there is also one RLSA list. Let me check how does it just perform in the past. Okay, it brought $195 conversion value. Is there RDSA? Okay, RDSA campaign is already there, so you don't need to worry about that. I think pausing won't work. We will have to remove it. Similar to all visitor with target and bid strategy
okay. Means in the
for
same
Pink
campaign,
Lily.
we cannot add two lists with two different setting.
You can, but if you are having RLSA with bid only
Hmm.
and similar audience with target and bid,
Hmm.
then your RLSA list service it will actually work.
Mm.
Obviously your RLSA list are having users who have
Mm.
visited your website, right? So they will anyhow will gonna be covered.
Yeah, in
Be-
in our DSA campaign.
yeah. uh, no, I'm talking about a single campaign, dynamic search
Okay.
ad campaign, where you have two lists. One is RLSA list with bid only,
Mm.
with target and bid. Both will gonna work
Okay.
because Google will just put your DSA to these users only, similar
Mm.
to all visitor. However, you have RSA list, so Google will also show your ads to all RLSA users,
Okay.
right? So you can try both.
Mm.
So for DSA, yeah, I set similar to all visitors with target and beat.
Mm.
So you're gonna see. So try that to all converters, but you might see less than 1,000 visitors to this list, which doesn't mean Google needs minimum 1,000 audience in SAS in order to be eligible for ad serving. Try uh, other available SaaS list where you have over 1,000 users bucketed. Settings similar to all visitors, similar to data burners, similar to
All
category
converters.
visitors. Yeah, all converter I already talked about in this point.
Mm.
Category visitors. First, try it troll manner. An account which is not doing well, see how does it impact on performance, decide how aggressively you need to go ahead with it. So you can probably try, I would say, try with Q spray.
Mm. Q spray. I think Q spray is performing. I think we can try it in Defi now.
Yeah, of course, we will also try over there, but also try with Q spray because it's a big budget account.
Okay.
Just one campaign. Experiment it with one campaign. I think similar to all converter might be a good list. Not sure whether it going.
So uh, currently, I should add it in only branded campaign.
No, not in branded. Try
Mm.
it in non branded. In a branded, obviously it will work. I
Mm.
had shown you just an example in Pink Lily.
Mm.
It doesn't mean that we're gonna try with branded,
Mm.
but it will not provide you true insights on how exactly it performed for you. I would say number of campaigns like B Suits, Cogshouse Reels. Try with Cogshouse Reels, right?
Okay. Mm.
Cogshouse Reels and DSA campaign if we have any. Also, for a couple of campaign, yeah, there is a DSA campaign, so it would be good to try. So I
And
can list,
Coxos Reels DSA campaign.
yeah, Foxhouse Reels and DSA campaigns.
In DSA, we should edit with target and bit, and in other campaign, we should edit as bit only.
See, their DSA campaign seems to be performing, so I don't want you to add target and beat.
Hmm.
Add them as a target. Sorry, beat only.
Bit only. Yeah.
Yeah, I think similar lists are available. Yep, similar to all visitor is available. Similar
Hmm.
to, yeah, only similar to all visitor is available. So you would only be able to try this one.
Similar to all visitors.
Similar to all visitors. So Q spray, then obviously we need to try with certain not good performing account. Southwest Silver Gallery, very important.
Yes, Southwest. We can try it for
Yeah,
Southwest.
try it with non-branded. Remember, add bid only,
Hmm.
right? Try
Yeah.
non-branded shopping to in a TSA. In shopping also it's possible.
Okay. In
In shopping
shopping,
also we should add.
we should
Yeah,
add only all similar to all visitors.
yeah. I think most of time similar to all visitors would only be available because all
Hmm.
converters are short list. So
Hmm.
Google won't make it available unless you have a very huge number of converters.
Hmm.
Also try with a,
Defina.
yep, Defina number one important. Trophy.
Mm, we got
Now I
a
think these are
big
enough.
we got a
I'll
big
ask
sell
Amos for what?
a trophy yesterday.
Yeah, I think from shopping campaign.
No, it is from branded campaign. We didn't get anything so far from shopping.
Yep, it's good, but we should try to get for shopping. I mean, branded are
Yet I increased the bid today just before few minutes. Actually, we are not performing well in shopping because we are on 14%. We're getting only less than 10% impression share. So I just raised the bid. I think there are a lot of competition for trophy.
okay. Good. Yep, let's keep trying. Alpha beta structure should be helpful as well.
Yeah, I was thinking that for trophy in non-branded campaign, we have two options. One is we can try alpha beta campaign for only non-branded, uh, or we can add only exact match keywords uh, uh, with a little bit high bid like $1.50 or $2.
What's their budget?
Trophy outlet.
Yeah, trophy outlay.
Its budget is $1,500.
Okay, so in a beta campaign, uh, try with a phrase match, and in alpha campaign, try with exact. Or
Okay.
no, do you have anything else in mind?
Uh,
Are you thinking to
no,
try broad mesh modifier?
broad mesh modifier. I think it will just ruin the budget or just ruin the performance.
Yeah,
So I was thinking, yeah, I just told you that there are two options we can do here. First is even we can try alpha beta campaign, or we can try to put just only exact match keyword in all non-branded and top seller campaign with high bid.
yeah, sounds good. I mean, you can try that. So beta. And once you start getting sales from that beta campaign, look into the search term and
Hmm.
add them as exact match. And that would be your alpha campaign. So at this point of time, your
Hmm.
beta campaign will only run. And once you
With
start,
only fresh match keyword
yeah, through the phrase match,
or
bid
with
reasonable.
high. Okay.
Yeah, you can bid even high also since there is just one campaign. But
Mhm.
be logical. I mean, we should bid reasonably.
But we already have phrase match keyword in our non-branded campaigns and top seller campaigns. So
Okay, so you can treat it even beta. How many campaigns do you have non-branded trophy
uh,
outlet?
just a minute. In trophy outlet, we have trophy non-branded, flags non-branded, medals non-branded, acrylic non-branded, corporate.
Which
Okay,
campaign you
one,
want to
two,
try
three.
in a beta?
Trophy and flags. These are the two major products of the client. So we can try for these two trophies and flags.
Okay,
Trophies non-branded.
trophies non-branded. This one, right?
Yeah.
So we have okay. We have exact mesh terms. Are we having only exact mesh terms?
I don't think I no fresh fresh match should be there. Just a minute. Let me. Where it is CTSK trophy.
I believe we only have exact match.
Mm, Actually, I paused all fresh match keywords. So we have only exact match keywords.
Mhm. So if you only have exact match, then I don't think you can try this. You need phrase match to try in a beta.
Okay. So just pull out all fresh match keyword from here from this campaign and just put them into the beta campaign.
You don't need to create a new beta campaign. That's the situation. You can actually use your existing campaign as a beta.
Okay, with fresh match.
Yeah, you just need to enable phrase match and you need to pause
Okay, yeah,
that
exact match.
exactly. And once it's start performing, then
Hmm.
create alpha campaign. Once you see the kind of system which are converting, put them in exact match and bid over their high in alpha campaign.
Okay.
That is the strategy. You don't need to create
Okay.
separate.
Hmm.
Okay, but make sure that their budget is 1500.
Hmm.
So we shouldn't, just spend money over phrase match.
Hmm.
Uh, Ads are also very important. So we have got to, look into ads as well.
Okay.
So you can do that. All right. So in the PPC meeting, that's it.
Hmm.
Focus on applying, experimenting SaaS.
Hmm.
I'm really hopeful about, its performance. I'm excited to see how does it do with the accounts. So we
Yeah, I
should
will
be
try this today.
try with the account which I listed. It's very
Hmm.
easy. You just to add audience. That's it.
Yeah, and yeah, fine. In any one campaign, right, of
In
listed.
all the no, in all the campaign which I mentioned, non-branded shopping and DSA.
Yeah, I mean, not all means brand. I have to just add in those campaign which you have listed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, for Qspray, Coxos Reels, and DSA campaigns. DSA campaigns means all DSA campaigns. They have three, four DSA campaigns.
Okay.
Southwest Silver Galley, non-branded shopping and DSA. In a Defina and Trophy to DSA and a shopping. I think we are not running DSA, so only shopping.
Okay.
Uh, for Defina and Trophy outlet, you might want to try DSA again with SAS and target and bid setting. But be
Okay.
careful.
For
Be careful.
Defina.
Yeah, in Defina Trophy outlet because we are trying to bring in sales, right? Conversion. So we can
Yes.
experiment DSA with SAS target and bid setting.
Okay. We can do the same for trophy as well.
Yeah, for Trophy too. Make sure we keep low bid in a DSA. In a dynamic search ad campaign, try to always have low bid. It tend to perform with lower bid.
Just like point 20, means 20 cents, 15, 25
Exactly.
cents.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, now about your score task. Quickly, let me assign your account. Which one is you wanna work on Trophy outlet first?
Yeah, I'm working for trophy currently. So,
Okay. Second, you assign Go Tie.
mm,
Main Street, don't forget Main Street Hub, that's very important.
okay.
On MSH. Spend like we are setting up campaign. I saw your, I think I reviewed restaurant hotel yesterday.
Mm, uh, yeah, we have launched it,
Okay, good.
and now we will move forward for another campaign.
Okay, good. Moldex, collectible, and I see Moldex.
Uh, should we use mm, for Moldex as well or not? We just decide
Yeah,
later.
you can. That's not. This is just the accounts which I want to try, but you can try with any other account as well. No
Yeah,
problem. So work on MSH after Trophy outlet.
yeah.
So second priority, then go tie.
Mm,
Take on work on Defina jewelry. Look into last 30-day performance and keep watching how campaigns are doing. That's important.
okay.
Use spray Southwest Silver Gallery. Yes, like sauce in Southwest Silver Gallery. Mm, yes. Also for Q is yeah,
Yeah,
for Q
QSP.
spray. Make sure that we do not have campaigns limited by budget.
Okay.
Client is very conscious with.
So it will be good if the account goes over its spend.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, Spain is still, the first goal. I think there Spain is not going over Spain.
Yeah,
It's in a controlled manner. But
yeah,
if it goes slightly over Spain, then that's fine.
okay.
But it shouldn't
Yeah,
go.
in case of Gensels and QSpray, slight overspend is fine, right?
Yeah. See, there is a JPB jewelry issue I had forgotten.
JPB jewelry. Yeah, I got the mail.
Go to
What is the issue?
uh,
Jewelry
their brand name.
client.
not JPB Jewelry.
Okay.
Their brand name is not a JPB Jewelry. Their brand name is Jewelry Box.
Okay. Jewelry packaging box, right?
Yeah, I saw those screenshots yesterday.
So client is saying that it is only in shopping campaign.
Shopping, it will be very quick fix. I just want to see those screenshots. PPC, 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 PPC. Kerry had forwarded.
Okay.
There we go. These are the screenshots. See, instead of
Yeah.
JPB jewelry, it should be jewelry packaging
Packaging.
box. Nice.
Uh,
Jewelry packaging box is their brand name. So log into their Google Merchant Center account, go to the
hmm.
account setting and change their business name from JPB Jewelry to Jewelry Packaging Box.
Okay.
And make sure that in our ads also,
Hmm.
we are not showing JPB Jewelry anywhere. It should be Jewelry Packaging Box everywhere.
Okay.
This is a kind of very urgent. Fix JPB Jewelry.
In banner ads and all kind of ads.
Yes, everywhere. Double check.
So we have to change logo as well in that case.
No, not logo. Logo is I think already fine.
Hmm.
Yeah, but you can check that. Logo is already fine. It's showing jewelry
Jewelry
packaging box.
packaging box. Yeah, logo is fine.
And exactly their name, the brand name.
Mhm.
Let's check. Jewelry packaging box. Yeah, in capital. This take from about us.
Okay.
So this is very urgent. Take it very first.
Okay.
And then go to trophy outlet and MSH.
Okay.
So this is first, then trophy outlet,
A
then
message.
MSH. Uh, apply SaaS in Key Spray, apply SaaS in Southwest Silver Gallery, but apply it first in Tiffin and Jewelry
Okay.
before Key Spray. I think we are good. Your priorities looks good now.
Okay.
All right, service. Let me know if there is anything else.
No, nothing.